Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting DIY project. The project is a maximum strength network when there are multiple Wi-Fi networks available in a range. This type of logic is already used in our laptops or PC. For example, when we have more than one networks in our range, the Wi-Fi of our laptop or PC gets connected to the maximum strength available network automatically. So today we are going to add this logic in a IoT device like NodeMCU 1. We have NodeMCU ESP12 module. And the program we have added the logic through which when there are many Wi-Fi networks available, the device will automatically select the maximum strength available network and it will connect to it. Now we will understand the logic behind it. So this is our program. This is the ESP library. This one is the library to scan and connect to the multiple networks in a range. Here we have created a project to access the multiple networks. This is the serial beginning. We want to print some statements in the serial monitor. We are using Wi-Fi as a station. Now we will add the some already known networks. So we will add three networks. These three statements will add three networks. If any one of them is available, let's say if all of three are available, now our device will connect as per the maximum strength. So this one is the SSID name and this one is the password. We have created a function called networks. This function scan the networks in a range and print the its RSI level and its name on the serial monitor. We will discuss it below. Here we will try to connect to the different networks one by one. So this is the end of setup. Now we understand the loop function. In the loop, we are printing the Wi-Fi connected to the SSID. If our device successfully connected to a network, it will print the SSID name and the address allocated to the device. So here it will print the SSID name and here it will print the address allocated to the device. So now we will understand the function network that we were using in above statements. Through this function, we have scanned the number of networks available in a range. We have stored the number in a variable n. If there are no networks, n is equals to 0. If there are no networks in range, we will print no networks found. Else, if there are network, we will print the number of networks. Now we will connect one by one with the networks and its strength. So here we are printing the SSID, the name of the network and its strength available. So this is the end of the code. Before uploading the code, we need to select the board. Board is NodeMCU ESP12V. We have to cross check the port. Hit upload. Code is uploading. Done. Now we will open the serial monitor. We will reset the device. So here we can see it is showing 5 networks found. The names are, these are the names of the networks available in a range. So we have already added the network Sing, Dreamwallers and Neutersir in the knowledge. So as per this strength, the Sing network is the maximum strength network. More the negative, less will be the strength, or less the negative value and more will be the strength. So here we can see it is connected to Sing because the Sing is on the maximum strength and it has been allocated a IP address. So this was about the choosing a best network. All we can add this type of logic in our IoT devices when we want our device to connect to the maximum strength available. Thank you.